No bake white chocolate lava balls. Let's make it. They are super yummy and super chocolatey. Let's make it. Take some white chocolate in a pan and make sure the flame is on low. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and let it melt on medium flame. Now add some rose petal to it and give it a nice mix. Now let this mixture cool down in your refrigerator. Now take another pan, add 1 cup of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and sugar as per your taste. Now cook this mixture completely until your sugar gets dissolved. Now it will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now your chocolate is frozen. Now make balls out of it and make a ball out of the desiccated coconut mixture, and you can follow the steps as it is shown. Roll them into desiccated coconut and enjoy. If you like the recipe, don't forget to follow. Bye bye.